Just a quick little video showing what a hive looks like, either A, before it swarms, or B, as this hive, the virgin's getting ready to go out for a mating flight. She hatched on Tuesday, and today is Saturday. Or she may decide that she's not going to stay, and she'll take a third of the contingency in the hive and swarm and let the next queen out. Either A, take over the hive, or as it's known as swarming itself to death, the next queen out will take and leave with a contingency of the bees, and then the next one, then the next one. Because I know there's 4 cells in this hive. This is a starter hive. Already removed all of the grafted queen cells out, and there was 4 cells that they drew on the frames, and I just left them. So I would personally say, being that the first one should have hatched on the 7th, she's getting ready to swarm, or not getting ready to swarm, getting ready to go out on a mating flight. Because notice how, if you can see them, they're coming out, hovering and going back in, coming out, hovering and going back in. They're not really figurating. It's only noon, so they're not, this is not an orientation flight. If you watch another one of my videos, you actually get to see right at the end, as I cut the video off, the queen as she comes out. And what I should have done was had a queen cage with me, but I was too busy filming to think about the fact that this hive is swarming, and I know she's getting ready to swarm, and I could have prevented her from ending up in a tree, which it wasn't that big. It was just about a 6-foot tree, so I shook her out real easy. But when you know something like this is happening, especially if you know it's a queen right colony and you see this, you will know to have a queen cage ready. So as soon as she steps out, because she'll step out on the landing board for a good 10 seconds or more, at least that's been my experience, before she takes off. So all you got to do is just reach down and grab her by the handholds, which are wings, stick her in a queen cage. Just say that this was a mated queen. I would put her in a queen cage and do something simple like turn right around and hang the queen cage here and let them cluster on her, and then I've got her. But that's what this is. They're waiting. See, now look at them. They're all fighting to get in. All the contingency out here is still doing that. They'll become bum rushing out here and again. Just a quick video. Hit that like and subscribe. Share it if you like. Give us a thumbs up. Guys, have a great day. We're having a great one here at Woolly Bees.